Big news, everyone! If you've been waiting for the perfect time to take your learning to the next level, this is your moment. Our membership options are now officially open. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're excited to announce the launch of our new membership programs, created specially for students and science enthusiasts who want more than just regular videos. We're introducing two powerful membership levels, so you can choose what suits you best. First, the Physics World Premium membership at just 59 rupees per month. This membership gives you access to exclusive videos, detailed explanations, and members-only learning content that goes beyond what you see on the channel. Next, for those who want a deeper and more practical learning experience, we have the Physics World NEXUS Premium membership at just 119 rupees per month. Along with all the premium benefits, Nexus members get extra hands-on practical lab videos designed to help you visualize concepts and understand topics more clearly, just like learning in a real laboratory. These memberships are open to everyone: school students, exam aspirants, and anyone who loves physics and science. So what are you waiting for? Click the Join button, choose your membership, and become part of the Physics World learning community today. If you found this announcement helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're excited to have you on this journey. See you inside the membership.